The pit viper is ready for the right moment to attack. After some time, a skink comes straight into the strike zone. It runs away after the bite, but the snake's venom will kill it. The copperhead locates its prey thanks to an enhanced sense of smell. It is facilitated by a forked tongue and the vomeronasal organ located in the roof of the mouth. The snake eats the skink head first. This is not a large prey item for this snake, so swallowing is fast.